Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about something that might seem simple but is absolutely crucial for writing clean, maintainable code and its comments. Now, you might thinking, comments? Really? How hard can that be? But there is the thing, good comment can be different between code that easy to understand 6 months from now, and code that makes you wonder what was I even thinking. So let's dive in and learn everything you need to know about comments in JavaScript. First thing first, what exactly is comment? A comment is simply text what you write in your code that JavaScript completely ignores. It won't execute it, it won't process it, it's just there for you and other developer to read. Think of comment as the note you leave for yourself or your teammate. They explain why you did something, what a particular piece of code does, or even remind you to fix something later. Okay, single line comment. Let's start with the single line comments. These are perfect for short explanation or quick notes. To create a single line comment, you use two forward slash like this. This is called single line comment, and everything after those two slash on that line is ignored by JavaScript. And also we already see this comment. Practical example, see how we added the context. We explain what that 0.15 represent and what we expect the output to be. Super helpful. You can also use single line comment to temporarily disable code while you are testing something like this. And this is called commenting out code, and it's a handy debugging technique. Okay okay Now moving to the next topic. Now, what if you need to write a longer explanation? That's where multi-line comment comes in. Multi-line comment start with a forward slash and the asterisk and end with the asterisk and the forward slash. This is the multi-line comments. These are great for more detailed explanation or documentation. Okay, and more example should be like this. See? Okay. You can also use multi-line comments to temporarily disable large block of code if you want, like this. You comment the code. Just be careful. You can nest multi-line comment inside each other. These won't work. Maybe this. If we use this, then this is not work. You already use the asterisk sign and slash, then this would be not working. Okay. Now the question comes up: when to use comments? Now here is the $1,000,000 question, right? This is actually $1,000,000 question. When should you use comments? Use comments to explain why and not what. So there is a different types of comments are available, but at first try to understand the bad comments. This is a bad comments. For variable, you don't use these comments like this. Okay, this is useless. This code already tell us we are adding a 5 to x, right? That comment is useless. Okay, and good comment will be like this. adding a buffer space to prevent the edge collision. And this would be a great comment because we understand why we are adding 5. Okay. Other good user for comments, complex logic that isn't immediately obvious, temporarily to do reminder, or explain business rule or requirement, documenting the function and their parameter, writing about the potential issue or edges. Okay. And this is, and these types of comment we are using oftenly. So remember this: to do, working, or hack. Okay. The best part for commenting is like, let me share some quick best practice. Don't over comment. Okay. If your code is clear and self explanation, you don't need comments everywhere. Good variable name and function names are often better than comments. Keep comments up to date. Up to date comment are worse than no comments at all. They will confuse people. Use comments during the development. They are great for planning your logic before you write code. And the comment this. Okay. And remove comments out code before shipping. If you are using version control like Git, you don't need old code settings in comments, just delete it. Okay, great. Now I'm telling you some keyboard shortcut. This is a quick tips. Most code editor have a keyboard shortcut for commenting. In VS Code, you can use Control plus slash or Command plus slash, multi-line Shift Alter A or Shift Option A. Okay, this will save you tons of life. Okay, all right. That's everything you need to know about comment in JavaScript. Remember, comment are your friend. They help you write code that easier to understand, maintain, and debug. Just don't go overboard. Use them usually to explain the why, not the what. In our next lesson, we are going to dive into a logic and condition with if, else, and else if statement. That's where your code will really start making a decision. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorial, and drop a comment below.